We are now in possession of our unnumbered substitute bill. Can we flash it on the screen? So the unnumbered substitute bill on House Bill number 1228, 1578, 9961, 45475, 60, and so forth. But essentially, just tackling first excise tax. I want to put on record also that there is potentially an upcoming omnibus legislation that will tackle or deal with this impending oil crisis, which will not only deal with taxes, but will also deal with state subsidies, as well as amendments that will now empower the Department of Energy and potentially also introducing reforms or review of the Oil Deregulation Act. That's also forthcoming over the next week or so. That's being hammered. So for everyone's, please continue flashing the, essentially the amendment pertains to Section 148. These deleted parts are the parts, can you just slow down? These deleted parts are really the portions where the train law, when this was passed, gave the president the authority to, when the increases on the excise taxes were taking place over a given period para hindi binibigla. We're just deleting it, but these are matters that are already fait accompli. Wala na siyang gamit. So, please proceed. The President of the Philippines may, upon recommendation of the Development Budget Coordinating Committee in coordination with the Secretary of the Department of Energy, because the DOE Secretary is not part of the DBCC. Part of the DBCC is the Department of Finance, the DBM, the DepDev, and sino pang kasama, ma'am?
BSP, Mr. Chair, as a resource.
And BSP. So, sinama na rin natin ng Department of Energy to as recommending authority. So, again, we just retained the $80 crude oil average over a period of 1 month, immediately preceding, so that the suspension can happen. And then secondly is a state of national emergency or calamity as declared by the President, and such condition has resulted in the extraordinary increase in domestic pump prices. Again, it's all about as certified to by the Secretary of Energy.
I move for the approval of the unnumbered substitute bill to House Bill number 1228, 1578, 1961, 4548, 4755, 5779, 5961, 8359, 8341, 7638, 8237, 8244, 8257, 8261, 8275, 8285, and 8292, and House Joint Resolutions number 4 and 5.
Second the motion.
There is a motion duly seconded. Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved.